Hey friends, welcome back to The Life of Amy June. If you're new here, I'm Amy, and on this channel we talk about realistic productivity, planning routines, and small business life. The kind that feels supportive, not stressful. And if you've been here for a while, you already know this. My planning routines aren't about doing more. They're about slowing down enough to move forward with intention. Since this is the first week of February, I wanted this reset to feel especially calm and nurturing. January can be a lot, and February feels like a quiet exhale, a chance to reset gently, reconnect with our priorities, and ease back into a rhythm that actually feels good. So today, I'm walking you through my weekly planning reset, how I clear the mental clutter, ground myself, and set up the week in a way that feels peaceful and doable. So grab a warm drink, your planner or notebook, and let's reset together. If you're new here, I wanted to start by explaining why I do this every single week. Because if I don't sit down and reset, my brain tries to carry everything at once. Every task, every idea, every reminder, every little don't forget. And that's usually when overwhelm starts creeping in for me. Weekly planning isn't about filling every single hour of the day. It's about checking in and asking, what actually matters this week? What can wait? What kind of energy do I realistically have right now? Especially in early February, I'm not trying to push or force momentum. This helps me protect my focus, stay grounded, and create structure so that I can stay consistent. The very first thing I do is a brain dump, always. This doesn't go into my planner, it just goes into a regular old notebook. I write down everything that is floating around in my head, and as you see here, I break it up into categories. This helps me compartmentalize each area of my life, whether it be my marketing agency, my beauty brand, my productivity brand, my YouTube channel, family, appointments, home, and then I break it down further and put in any tasks, appointments, deadlines, any ideas that I have for each category, anything that has been weighing on my mind, any little to do. Nothing is too small and nothing is too big. This step alone brings so much mental relief. Once it's written down, my brain doesn't have to hold on to it anymore, and that's where the calm starts. Next, I look at my calendar, my Google Calendar that is, and it is a calendar that I share with my husband and my son. Previously, it was only with my husband, but now that my son is 14, I do add him to certain events that he needs to be a part of or that he knows that we're attending. I check for meetings, appointments, content deadlines, family commitments, anything that is a non-negotiable. I always plan around real life first, not an ideal schedule, my actual schedule. This is especially important during seasons where energy feels a little lower. You can't plan realistically if you don't acknowledge what's already on your plate. Now I move into my weekly planning pages. This is where I lay out the full week, look at upcoming deadlines, assign tasks to the week as a whole, decide what realistically fits into this particular week. I'm not getting super detailed yet. I just want a clear, gentle overview of what this first week of February is asking of me. This step helps me avoid overcommitting before the week even begins. Next, I choose my top priorities for the entire week. Not daily, just weekly for now. These are the things that, if they're done by the end of the week, I'll feel proud and settled. Everything else just becomes supporting tasks. This keeps me focused and prevents that scattered feeling of doing a little bit of everything, but not finishing anything. Once I know my priorities, I assign a loose theme to each day, usually an AM focus and a PM focus. Nothing strict, just direction. For example, mornings for deeper focus or creative work, afternoons for admin, lighter tasks, or follow-ups. I also set Mondays to content planning, Tuesdays to YouTube. Fridays are always admin and catch-up days. This gives my days a rhythm without pressure, which feels especially important at the start of a new month. Now I set up my daily pages, and I keep these very simple. I only write the day of the week, the date, and any time-sensitive tasks that will not move. Things like school drop-off, school pickup, any appointments, sports, or any other commitments. These are the anchors of my day. Everything else flows around them. My daily pages are there to support me, not overwhelm me. Before I wrap up, I do a quick meal plan. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. I decide what we're eating for dinner this week, what needs to be ordered, when grocery pickup will happen. And yes, I always do grocery pickup. I maybe go shopping in the store once per year, but it saves me so much time, and it also helps me from just wandering the aisles and buying things that I don't need. This step brings so much peace into my week. It removes a huge layer of daily decision making and helps everything feel more steady. And finally, I leave room for grace. This wasn't always the case. I would hustle, and hustle. I do have a video coming out soon as to why I quit hustle culture, but now I leave room for grace because guess what? Life happens. Energy changes, mood changes, motivation changes. Some days just feel heavier than others. My planner is a tool for me, not a rule book. If something doesn't get done, I don't punish myself. I adjust, move things forward, and keep on going. That's how consistency actually works, especially in quieter seasons like this. If planning has ever felt overwhelming, I want you to hear this. You're not behind. You're not broken. You just need a system that works with your life. Start simple. Plan the week first. Anchor your days. And always leave room for grace. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I noticed that more than 50% of you that watch my videos aren't subscribed. It is a free way to support my channel and let me know that you like the content that I am putting out. And let me know in the comments, do you do a weekly reset or are you starting one this week? Thank you again so much for being here with me today. I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. And I'll see you in the next one real soon. Bye.